Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do on-demand video. In this video we are going to see Introduction to Physics Chapter 1 Units and Measurement. So let us start. First we will see what are fundamental quantities. Let's read the definition. The physical quantities which do not depend upon any other physical quantities for their measurement are called as fundamental quantities. So fundamental quantities क्या है? They are physical quantities which do not depend upon any other physical quantity for their measurement. मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल हमने किसी बॉक्स लिया, उसका हमें वेट देखना है, उसका हमें मास देखना है, तो हमें सिर्फ किसका यूज़ करना होगा? वेइंग स्केल का. ऐसा नहीं है कि वेइंग स्केल के साथ हमें उसका किसी स्केल का यूज़ करना होगा या किसी थर्मोमीटर का यूज़ करना होगा. हमें सिर्फ क्या चाहिए? वेइंग स्केल. सो weighing the mass of an object doesn't require more than one unit. There are 7 fundamental quantities. They are mass, length, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity, and amount of substance. Now let us see in deep what are fundamental units. Fundamental unit. Fundamental units are the units which are used to measure fundamental quantities. In other words, the units used to measure fundamental quantities are called as fundamental units. Now let us see the 7 fundamental quantities. First is length. The SI unit of length is meter and the symbol is m. The second is mass. The SI unit is kilogram. The third is time. The SI unit is second. The fourth is temperature. The SI unit is Kelvin. Fifth is electric current. The SI unit is ampere. Sixth, luminous intensity. SI unit is candela. And seventh is amount of substance. SI unit is mole. So now we have understood what are fundamental units. Now by using fundamental units, we are going to derive all other units of all other physical quantities. Now let us see how to do that. Derived units. The physical quantities which depend upon fundamental quantities for the measurement are called as derived quantity. The units of derived quantity are expressed in terms of fundamental units. For example, velocity means suppose we want to calculate velocity. So the formula to velocity is displacement upon time. That is depend upon displacement, that is length, and it also depend upon time, that is t. So it is derived from 2 other fundamental quantities. Such a quantity is known as derived quantity, and the units of that quantity are known as derived unit. So the further classification, the further description of derived quantities or derived units we are going to see in my further videos.